How to change photo size on iPhone. To get started, open up the Photos application on your phone. Here, you can view all the photos and videos on your phone. Now, go back and open up Safari. Here, go to simpleImageResizer.com. Once you're here, tap on Select Image. Then, tap on Photo Library. Choose any photo from your camera roll and then tap on Done. After that, scroll down and tap on Resize. This image has been successfully resized. Here, tap on Download below. Tap on Download again. You have now successfully downloaded the photo to your phone. Following these steps, you can easily change photo size on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.